Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can insert a serial number in the Google Sheet. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So open your Google Sheets. Now I have this in my Windows. And then let's start with it. So type in here 1. So if this is not at the center, then you need to simply click on this drop down arrow and then you will find the center option to put your number at the center. Now once done, if you move this slider up to the bottom, it will say all number 1. But since we are going to have a sequential number wherein it will start from number 1, 2, 3 up to the desired number that you want, then we need to put number 2 in here. Now once done, you need to drag this arrow and then you just need to simply move this slider to the bottom up to the desired number, and that's it. You have just created 1 up to 12. Now let's try with this one again. Type 1 and then let's start with number 13 and then let's type in here 14. So now let's move this slider. And that's it. So as easy as that, you can add a serial number into your Google Sheets. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. So thank you for watching.